Hello, it's Landon again, and this is my final for, or rather a revisit to my final for data transformation analysis. I'll be using structured query language, aka SQL, to query some specific information from this data set here. This is the same data set I used for my other final in data statistical analysis. I like using this one, it's very useful. It's fun to do as well. But yeah, I'm not going to be using MySQL for this, even though that's originally what I had used, because I am on a different computer, a different operating system now, and I'll be using SQLite to demonstrate this today. And the way SQLite works is you create a database file, basically. I think that's this one right here, yeah, my database DB. And from there, you can import the CSV file, which is this file right here, and then you create other SQL files that SQLite uses to query information from the table. So I originally had one SQL file, because you were able to do it in that way in my SQL. But for SQLite, it's a little bit different, so I made separate files for each function. And yeah, so we'll just be running those as a demonstration today. So for this, we create the table. We're only going to be selecting the player name, current MMR, peak MMR, lowest MMR, max gain MMR, max loss MMR, base MMR, and from the CSV file. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 columns we'll be calling. And to do this, we already have SQLite loaded in our terminal. This is a terminal application. So scroll all the way down and type in SQLite.read MMR table. All right. So we can go all the way to the top. There's obviously way too many people for everyone to be included in the terminal. But as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns here of data. So that would correlate to the player name on the far right, their current MMR, their peak MMR, their lowest MMR, their max gain MMR, their max loss MMR, and then the base MMR where they started. So that would be just one query file. And we could also read another file, just further demonstrating the abilities here. We could do the events table that we created. So for this table, we're only selecting the player name, total events since date, and the strikes they have. So let's go ahead and run that in the terminal. So we do not read. Alright, and let's see here. Oh. Forgot that little bit at the end. misspelled it. Alright, there we go. So again, it's the name, it's their total events, and total events since the date, and then their amount of strikes they have. So this is all sounds about right. Most people don't have any strikes. Obviously the name is the furthest to the left. It's the first thing we pulled, so yep, all looks good. And yeah, that'll be the demonstration.